Gentleman's game here. So recently, a student of mine messaged me out of the blue, freaking out. He told me that his girlfriend just broke up with him. It's definitely one of the more common messages that I get. Some dude crying over losing the dream girl that he finally managed to get after being a virgin for the first 22 or 23 years of his life. With this guy, I remember personally overseeing his transformation from an awkward, introverted guy who had never had a kiss in his life to a guy who was confident and well put together enough to approach and date his current girlfriend, a girl who was just his type. This was about a year ago. So when he told me she broke up with him, I knew he must have been devastated, finally finding someone he thought was the love of his life, only to have her break things off a year later. He told me he felt like throwing up, that he was desperate to get her back. So this is what I told him. Eric, I know it hurts. I've been there, and it sucks, but you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna take this pain, and you're gonna use it as fuel. I know it seems impossible with how much you're hurting, but give it 3 days to sulk and then realize something. You're about to level up to a point that's gonna make the past Eric look like a chump. If you were able to land a girl like that a year ago, just imagine the kind of girls you're gonna be able to attract once you become a better man. Better than you've ever been. I'm glad that my words got through to Eric, because about a week after that message to me, something in him snapped. He started lifting more. He started reading more, learning about things that actually interested him. He started working harder at his studies in grad school, securing a job at a top bank. He started being more social again, going out, making new friends, and meeting girls. And I guess his ex-girlfriend Kelly must have seen his transformation on social media or something, because soon afterwards she started messaging him again out of the blue. He told me she first started out just asking how he's been, subtly inquiring about how he managed to change his life around so quickly. Then, eventually, she started texting him flirty again, even sending him a nude or two. Eric followed my advice, however, and did not give in to her so quickly, even though the old Eric, the one that was crying to me over text, would have jumped on the opportunity to get back together with her immediately. Instead, this time, he held his ground, told her that he wished her well, but that she broke up with him, and that he was just gonna casually date around. Then she started getting much more desperate, calling him in the middle of the night, crying about how she'd made a big mistake and all she wanted to do was be back together with him. Hence still, like a king, Eric didn't break his frame. See, the easiest way to make a girl instantly regret losing you is to not desperately chase her back, like a low-value dude. If instead you can channel your inner beast and look forward and not backward, then she'll know she screwed up big time leaving you. Because it does take a heartbreak event like this to trigger something in you, and you should embrace it. Because there probably will be a point in your life where a girl leaves you for some reason and you're left broken. It's in these moments where you get to see what you're truly made of. Will you level up and press onward? Or will you let this breakup send you down a negative spiral of self-pity? The choice that you choose will ultimately affect how well you rebound. And if you're wise enough to choose the former, then not only can I say that she'll immediately regret losing you and she'll probably try to win you back, but by that point, you might not even want her back, since you'll have so many other options. So that's it for the video, guys. Just wanted to give y'all a quick pointer on how you can turn around any desperate situation with a girl who leaves you. If you understand the principles behind what I talked about today and apply them correctly, you'll have nothing to worry about when it comes to women and dating. As always, make sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe button, and check out the description box below for my free 5-page PDF on the fundamentals of attraction, or if you want to book a free one-on-one call with me or someone from my team. Next week I have something fire planned, so make sure to hit the notification bell. Peace.